Hello again, Peter Bradley, the Director of the Honors Program at Ferris State University and also a member of the NCHC Professional Development Committee. This is the final how-to video for social media. It's the one in which we send out a post from WordPress and watch it populate through the system. You really need to have done the Twitter, Facebook, and Google videos before this, as well as the WordPress video, in order to see what we're seeing. So we're going to start right where the WordPress one left off. We're logged into WordPress and on the admin page. All right, let's get going. This is the last and final step in setting up our social media network. So click here on sharing. These are all the networks that can be connected. So click connect. Once it comes up, you log in, set yourself as the page. I've got to go verify that I'm logged in correctly. Facebook and Steam. Your pages will show up here on the left. So click on pages and my pages, and Engage Ferris is there. So I click on that. Oh, I remember, I forgot this has to be published. So go to settings and page visibility, set it to published, which means visible, save changes. And then go back to WordPress. And when I click on sharing, jumping back, there we go, click on sharing and Facebook Connect, and it will now show up as available. What this means is that any posts that you put on WordPress will be sent to Facebook, not as you, not as your personal account, but as the page. Next up, Twitter. So click Connect. Same deal, go ahead and log in. Make sure you log in not as your person, but as the account we set up. So Engage Ferris for me, and this is the password, and click Authorize App. You don't need to click Remember Me, by the way, because the app will remain authorized for a while. And there we go, connect. Google Plus, we can do that one too. Same deal, make sure you log in as Engage Ferris and your Google Plus page and allow. Switch back over, yep, connect. And I don't use LinkedIn, Tumblr, or Path, but you could do those. And if you want Eventbrite for events, you're welcome to do that too. All right, so now we have to test it. Click on blog posts and add. We're going to create a new post, and it's going to be called Hello World. And it will say, great, thanks. Oh, got it. Yep. Yeah, I know. All right, come on already. Yeah, there. This is a first post that should populate through the social media system. Okay, and we're going to add an image. Great. Before I publish this, I want to make sure that my phone and Twitter is all hooked up, so I'm going to go to my phone. Here it is, and start Twitter. All right, make sure I'm following Engage Ferris, so we're going to search for Engage Ferris. And there we are, I am following Engage Ferris. See new tweets, okay. Reload. Okay, we're all set up. We're ready to go. Check Facebook, and we're going to go to the page there as well and check to see if anything is new. Okay. Oh, look, Brian graduated. That's awesome. All right. We're all good. We're all up to date. Okay, now we come back to the post, and we're going to click Publish. There it goes. Yay, it says View Post. Back to the iPhone. Check Twitter. One more. Let's see. There it is. And there it is. And see, there's the link back to the blog included and the image that you used. And click Facebook. Let's refresh. Yep, this is the page, and look down, and there it is with the text and the image. So it has worked. Hooray! And if you click on this from Facebook, you'll go to the main site and see the whole blog. It's very useful. If you have a longer post, it'll concatenate to the first few words and send those out, and then you click back and you'll get the whole post. Switching back to Twitter, you can do the same thing. If you click on that link, it will take you over to the blog. It's refreshing, sorry. Okay, there we go. We click on it, and here is the blog site. Now this is really important for analytics because then all your traffic is going to a single place and you can see how often things are working. One more, let's check Google+, back to the iPhone. And signing in. And yeah, okay, you can tell I don't use Google+ very often. All right, here we go. And there it is. Engage Ferris, hello world, with the link. So all 3 sites are populated from the single post that you did on WordPress. You only need to maintain WordPress. Everything else just happens. It just works. And all the traffic comes back to WordPress so you can get your analytics and see how many people are reading about your news stories and learning about the events that you're going to put on, or even register for the classes for the next semester. But that's the topic of another video, and video 3 on analytics, and I hope to see you there.